Hello students, I am Nidhi from Star Plus Public School and today I will give you the introduction of letter writing and this will be as per as the CBSE syllabus. So let's come to know about what is letter writing. What is letter writing? Here is this. A letter is a written message conveyed from one person to another person through a medium. Letters can be formal and informal. एक पत्र एक लिखित संदेश है जो किसी माध्यम से एक व्यक्ति से दूसरे व्यक्ति को दिया जाता है and letters can be of two types in which one is the formal and in one is the informal, औपचारिक और अनौपचारिक. So let's come to study about these one by one. Here the flow chart. Letters are of two types which has already discussed, formal and informal, औपचारिक and अनौपचारिक. So let's come to know about the formal letter. See this. What is formal letter? A formal letter is an official letter. It is a letter written for official reason. A formal letter is written for different purposes which are औपचारिक पत्र एक आधिकारिक पत्र है और यह आधिकारिक कारणों से लिखा जाता है. Dear students, such type of letters are written for these purposes, in which first is for making a complaint, for requesting something, for making an inquiry, applying for a job, for making a proposal, for the reference, and the last one is for the formal invitation. So let's have a look of the format of formal letter. See this? This one is the format of formal letter. Formal letters are written for official or business reasons. They usually follow the following format. As I have already discussed this, formal letters is written officially. So this is the format of formal letters. So let's have a look. On the upper side, we write the address of writer. We can say this one is the sender's address. यहाँ हम sender's address को लिखते हैं. After writing this, write down the date, then the receiver's designation. यहाँ पे whom you are writing to, write his details, and after doing this, give a proper salutation, that is the sir or madam or whatever. And after this, give a subject. It should be limited, and after all this, write down the body. This is the purpose of your writing, so it should be limited because as it is the formal letter. It is written approx in 2 paragraphs, that is called the 120 words. After doing all this, writes yours truly, faithfully, whatever here. Then give your full name in running hand and lastly give the designation of yours. Lastly, these are the most noticeable point students to have a look. For editors, only sir or madam is used, omitting dear. In all other formal letters, excluding those to magazines and newspapers, the superscription is dear sir or dear madam. अगर आप एडिटर्स वगैरह को डैट मीन्स कि आप मैगजीन्स और न्यूज़पेपर्स में लिखते हो तो आपको स्पेशली सर और मैम का यूज़ करना चाहिए. बट ऑकेजनली अगर आप फॉर्मल लेटर्स का यूज़ करते हैं यू कैन यूज़ डियर ऑल्सो, बट फॉर मैगजीन्स एंड न्यूज़पेपर्स यू शुड यूज़ सर और मैडम. इट इज़ अ गुड मैनर. The content varies according to the topic of the letter and is usually within 1-2 paragraph, that is called the 120 words or specified. Content आपका limited होना चाहिए क्योंकि ये formal letter है, so it should be limited. You must not omit or repeat any point of information as it is the formal letter, so must not repeat any point of information time to time. Just convey this. You must only write on the topic in the briefest possible manner, keeping within the word limit. This is a formal letter students, so you should convey all your matter in the briefest manner, that is called short. So I hope all of you have understood this. So now let's have a look of informal letter. See this? This one is the informal letter. Look its definition. An informal letter is also referred as friendly letter. It's a personal letter written to whom you are familiar with, like. एक इनफॉर्मल लेटर जो होता है वो फ्रेंडली लेटर के भी नाम से जाना जाता है बिकॉज एज इट इज़ रिटन फॉर पर्सनली. ये किन को लिखा जाता है? लाइक एज फैमिली मेम्बर्स, लाइक फ्रेंड्स और एनी अदर एक्वेंटेसेस जो भी आपके जान पहचान के हों उन्हें हम लिखते हैं. सो लेट्स सी द फॉर्मेट ऑफ इनफॉर्मल लेटर. दिस is the format of informal letter. So let's have a look of this. The format is almost the same as in the formal letter except in these details. Informal letters के भी format students same ही होते हैं, but we need some editing. Omit the receiver's designation and address and the subject. Informal letter में जो होता है आपका receiver's designation और address और subject ये include नहीं किया जाता. The salutation should be dear Amit, dear mother etc. यहाँ आप जो salutation यूज़ करते हो वो आप dear से start कर सकते हो because as it is the informal letter. The subscription is usually yours lovingly or yours sincerely followed by the writer's first name only. यहाँ जो आप subscription देख रहे हो यहाँ पे you can use here lovingly, sincerely, affectionately, whatever because it is informal letter. The body should be within 120 words or as specified and may consist of more than 2 paragraphs as per the topic. As it is informal letter, so you can exceed your words from 120 as per as your requirement. So let's have a sample. This one is the address of the writer, that is called the sender's address. After that date, then give the superscription, that is whom you are writing. After that, give the body, in which here there are 3 sections. First one is the introduction, then second is the main content, and lastly here is the conclusion. So lastly you can end this with giving the subscription, that is called the writer's first name. Now I have also included 2 questions for your practice, so I hope this will be fruitful for you. Thank you.